check out this 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1994 Ford F-150 XLT extended cab, Waldoch conversion. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 74,708. That's what's on the odometer right now. Titled in the same area its entire life, well maintained, and it shows. Let's take a look at this front chrome bumper first off. Grill, bug shield added. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. And it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is where you can call in if you got any questions. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures of this vehicle. There'll be close-ups of these polished wheels, the underside, engine bay, interior, box. Over 100 pictures online. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That's paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. It appears to be the original paint and original Waldoch graphics on this. Shows a little bit of age right there, but boy, that's being awful fussy on a truck that's 30 years old. And take a look around the wheel wells, behind and in front of them. No corrosion, rust. As you can see, full-length glass boards on this one. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer too. It does have the Waldoch conversion interior. Soft tonneau cover will roll up. I left that so we'd take a look at the box also. Doesn't look like this box has seen a whole lot of use, judging by that bed liner in it. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. As we take a look at the rear bumper, dual exhaust. And again, clean Carfax. Like to see a copy of that. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Another thing I want to let you know, try to remember in all the vehicles, we do have an open door policy. For third-party inspectors, you want somebody to come and take a look at this truck, report back to you. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to distance or time. Feel free, have somebody look at this. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around videos we do, as well as the driving video. You're going to get an idea of what it's like to ride in this truck, bird's eye view, at the end of this video. You can see dual tanks over here on the driver's side. And again, look at the condition of the graphics and the paint. Lack of any sort of rust or corrosion around the wheel wells, down in the lower rockers. Even take a look at the door sills. Just lack of wear on them even. And then the bottom sides of the doors. Look at that. Not rusting out. So of course XLT is going to have nice equipment to it, plus the Waldoch conversion. So we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt column, cruise on the steering wheel controls, and of course the Waldoch seating area. And a leather cloth combination. Seating in the rear. It'll be a lot easier to see that in the still pictures, which you can do. UniqueClassicCars.com. Headliner, overhead console, of course. Waldoch. Let's start it up, check the exact miles. Listen to it run. We'll check out that engine bay, wrap up this video. All right, so there's your exact miles, 74,708. No warning indicators, anything like that. Gauges functioning. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. As you can see, fuel gauge, battery, also oil pressure. Push button, 4-wheel drive, AM FM cassette. That is also working, had that working earlier. 1990s navigation. Top of the dash looks good, not cracked, weathered, checked. You can tell this truck's been stored indoors when not in use, no doubt about that. It does have a trailer brake added too, good to mention that. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. That dual exhaust, nice sounding truck. Let's slip up to the front. We're gonna pop this hood. Take a peek at the engine bay. Let's go ahead. Release will be in here. Down on the left by the kick panel. I think I may be able to get this one-handed this try. If not, I'm gonna have to pause it. Let me pause this 1 second, get the hood open quick, check out that engine bay. There we go. Alright, underside of the hood. And the engine bay. 5 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Something you can take a peek at here. You can see there's never been sockets put on those bolts. Again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Also very well maintained truck. See the same thing over here. Like I said, it appears to be the factory paint with Waldoch graphics on it. '94 Ford F-150 XLT extended cab. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford F-150. This is a super cab in white with some Waldoch graphics on it that look very good. This is an automatic on the column. Nice leather and cloth combination seats in this truck, very comfortable. Cruise control is working. Air conditioning is blowing cold. Our oil pressure is right in the normal range, just below half. Temperature is right in the normal range, straight up and down in the middle. Fuel is 3/4, and our battery gauge is reading above half, which is right where you want it. Factory tech outer installed in this truck is working well. Factory radio also working well. Cassette player in there. Horn works. Our wipers are also functioning. This truck right at the end of the square style bodies, one of my favorite looking trucks before they got really curvy. Overhead we do have some storage and a power unit that you can plug a cigarette lighter into. Very easy to drive truck, ready for road tripping and working. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.